They travel far and wide. For the moment, Sandy gets greeted to the bowling crease. And that's going to be 4. Ramanna says, I've seen enough. The batsman for those big shots. He's in the hunt. It should just be a single. No, they want 2. And I don't think there was a second run in it.
Definitely not. Single. Wanted a single, Abdullah.
Oops. Oh, chance there for a stumping. Has he got his man?
After touching the bat, might come for a bounce. And finally, Raman Sandy got a wicket, which I was saying about it. It's another dot ball to finish. Sandy. That's the one. That's a big heave from Kalairasan. It's a boundary to finish the over. 33 for 1.
Yeah, after that, and the bails get taken off, you're not out.
Absolutely, Raman. It's very important. Another wide start from Vivek. I think the umpires need to be updated with the rules and regulations and the new things what happens. But of course, this is a T10 Blast CCL first ever for these heroes.
Catch it! In the air and through his hands. So it would have been a tough catch to take, but opportunities being created here.
I think Vivek in the second ball only created an opportunity for a wicket.
Check out a look at it from the other angle. Always running back, so it's difficult at times when you're running back to keep your body balance going and then latch on to a catch.
I think it's very important, these sorts of catches should get into the hands. That's a one. Going for a big one. He gets 2 easy runs. The score moves to 38. Raman, that's a score which Rhinos should be looking forward. The runs have started tickling now. The Rhinos started walking faster now.
And I think they were galloping at one stage and now they've just kind of been pulled back a tad. Bengal Tigers hope they're in with the hunt. Satish Kaushik there as well, along with Mr. Bonnie Kapoor.
Absolutely. How can we forget this Satish Kaushik? It's a big man, Satish Kaushik, from the next to the big man.
Now 54 to win of 34. Satish Kaushik, actor, producer,
director.
Well, he's worn many hats, hasn't he?
Absolutely. Shayad, I'm forgetting his name in one of the. That's a good sweep, slog sweep, gets boundary for Chennai Rhinos. I think Ramna, he's on striking the boundaries.
Oh, yes, he's on a boundary hitting spree. This time, I don't think he connected as well as he would have liked. Off the inside edge of the bat, but still enough power on that bottom hand that he got in. Got 4.
Absolutely. Raman, I don't know whether you remember, Satish Kaushik ji, Mr. India, what's his favorite name used to be?
Calendar, how can you forget?
Absolutely. Fantastic.
Oh, that's going to be a wide. Talking about Calendar, I think he lost his radar there.
Vivek, he needs to pull it back for Tigers now, as Ramana is striking the ball very well. Ramana taking more time to settle down.
Did you like it when a batsman did that to you, Sunil, when you were bowling?
I hated it.
Catch it! In the air, but that should be safe. Just another single, but he's not too happy, is he? Ramana with that shot that didn't go as planned.
Ramana, striking so well with full liberty, whereas Vivek needs to pick up a wicket for Bengal Tigers. Time for a wicket now.
I think they already got a Christmas gift with that wicket of Abdullah, given out stumped.
Kalairasan, the left-hander. I don't know, whenever I see a left-hander in any format of the game, I like the left-handers.
Yeah, of course. I know exactly where that's coming from, Sunil. You're fishing for compliments. They all look so graceful while batting, and while bowling, they're a handful.
I
Yeah?
was never look graceful. I was used to play only cross-bat shots.
Even they look graceful. There you go. Another
Here we
cross-bat
go.
shot.
Here we go. Missed it. It's another boundary from Kalairasan. 48 for 1. Rhinos are inching towards the target.
Giving their fans something to cheer about. This was hit as clean as a whistle. The
That was
boundary, right? I thought was about 6 yards inside the boundary row.
That was a clean hit. I thought he was going to get closer to the ball, but he was not. Vivek created a chance, but the fielder couldn't do it.
Just a single, or will they push for 2? They've got 1, and that's all that they'll get. 49 for 1 at the end.
Oh, appeal as well. Well, Yusuf going for everything. A lot of excitement, optimistic as well.
छठा ओवर चल रहा है अजय और लक्ष्य इतना कठिन नहीं लग रहा है। जिस तरीके की बैटिंग देखने को मिली है, मुझे लग रहा है कि मंजिल के करीब है, unless they make some silly mistakes। और रमना अभी तक तो अच्छी बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, स्ट्राइक रेट भी 150 से ऊपर है। और अगर हम रिक्वायर्ड रन रेट की बात करें अजय, तो दे आर वे अहेड ऑफ द टारगेट। And that needs no words. That's a beautiful delivery and sends the batsman back to the pavilion. A reason to celebrate, and the stadium erupts into celebration.
Yeah, he's a very handy cricketer, Sandy. Seen him in the past as well.
He's just given a breakthrough.
Yeah, he's a good cricketer. He's an experienced cricketer. Seen him in few editions of the CCL. Knows exactly what to do. Every over is going to be important. Every dot delivery is going to be important. The 50 up with that single here for the Chennai Rhinos. 42 required of 27. Shouldn't be very tough. They still have wickets in hand. A lot will depend on Ramana. He's a good striker. Prithvi has just come in, opening his account for the very first delivery. What Sandy does is mixes up his pace, uses the crease as well very often. Once again going for the big shot. Oh, just falling in between Sandy and the fielder coming in from short mid wicket.
Falling short on that sitter अजय। अजय माहौल पे जरा गौर फरमाएंगे तो देखेंगे जब शुरुआत हुई थी इस मुकाबले की, तब समा थोड़ा लुभा तो रहा था, पर अब कैप्टिवेट कर रहा है। इस फॉर्मेट को मद्देनजर रखते हुए अजय, आपको क्या लगता है कि प्रेशर एक खिलाड़ी के जहन में साफ झलकता है?
या बिल्कुल, और हर खिलाड़ी को अपना रोल समझना होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जब अगर आप सेट हो जाए बतौर बैट्समैन, बहुत जरूरी है उस स्टार्ट को आप कन्वर्ट करें। अगर आप गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं, डॉट डिलीवरीज पे ध्यान दीजिए। अब सैंडी अपना अंतिम ओवर कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि 2 ओवर ही आप कर सकते हैं मैक्सिमम। इंद्रशीष मैंटी ने एक ओवर डाला है, और बेहतरीन ये ओवर इस बार ऑन साइड पे खेला, कोई बाउंड्री राइडर्स, और यहाँ पे 4 रन मिलेंगे अंतिम गेंद पे। 6 ओवर की समाप्ति, 55 पे 2।